Hello friends, welcome back again to this amazing channel. My name is Barry Allen and today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make your internet more faster and more secure. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Sometimes when you open a site it takes a lot of time and you are also in a risk to lose your data as well. So if you want to be safe and you want your internet to be more secure, you have to use Alttunnel. Before it, I'll show you if you use an unpaid VPN, which sort of risk you have and what difficulties you get. First difficulty is that you will get a lot of ads here because you are using an unpaid VPN. Your data is not secure. They are giving you services and in return you are giving them your data, right? So like this it will work after a long time. So if you don't want to be a lot of ads as well as you want to be secure, then follow the tips. I'm testing each and everything for you so that you can just estimate the value of ALT tunnel and after that you can use it. So let's open a site, and if you open a site on unpaid VPN it will take a lot of time, and after that even it will ask for the ads to watch and continue. Right, we are watching an ad again, so let's skip it, and after that let me show you how you can faster your internet and how you can be secure on internet. So let me type ALT tunnel here. As you can see, I'm using the official website of them. You have to find the same one. You can type it and you can enjoy their services. So let's go to the dashboard and let me show you how you can create your account here. First of all, you have to click on any account that you have. Like I have a Google account, so I'll go with that. Okay, as you can see they have given me a 100 GB trial, so I can use it and after that I can extend my plan. If you are using a lot of GBs, you can just go to the extend option and you can directly extend your plan by purchasing it, right? So now let me show you how you can use this sort of VPN. You have to click on add device. After it you can see there are two options. You can choose the one according to your choice, the work you are going to do. You can just see their benefits and you can create a device according to that. All what you have to do, you have to give it a name and after that you have to click on create, right? It will give us a QR code. We can also download the config file and we can also copy the config. So I'll go with WireGuard and I'll just go with the config file. So follow me, you can also do the same. And if you want to use Amnesia, you can just go to that option and you can download that app from the App Store, Play Store or Windows, right? Okay, so let me download the config file. Here you have to do a little change to this file because this is not directly opening in the iPhone. So I'll just change it to the text format and after it I'll be able to connect it with WireGuard app, right? So as you can see it's not showing the file here, so I'll go to this and I'll click on it. I'll rename it to text file. I'll click and type text format, right? You can use this text format and I'll go back to the WireGuard app. I'll add a tunnel. I'll click on create from the config file. Okay, I'll add this and I'll give the permission here. Now as you can see my VPN is ready and now I can just hit the on button and after it you can see my VPN is connected successfully. After that immediately I'll go to the horror.com so that I can check whether my VPN is working properly or not. Okay, so as you can see my IP has been changed. This is not my official country, right? You can see my IP is working, right? So this website Omegle is banned in my country. I'll test it whether it is working with Omegle or not because it is one of the website which is widely used and many people are willing to have this site in their country because it is banned there, right? Let me test whether this site is working with this VPN or not. As you can see, this site is working properly with this VPN, and in case if I close my VPN, as you can see, I'll refresh my page and the site will go away, because this site is banned in my country and it will not work on unpaid VPN or any other VPN. This is the first VPN I got by which this site is working. I've been using this VPN services. It is one of the most advanced service and it's already working with this site. If you are enjoying this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, and this VPN service is one of the advanced service which is for the people which are keen to their privacy and they don't want their internet to be slowed down by different things, so they can purchase this plan and they can use it, right? Okay, so now one of the most important thing in this video, I'm gonna reveal how you can purchase the plan and how can you deposit amount to your account, right? So you have to come to your dashboard, then you have to extend your plan. After that, you can see there are several plans available by them. I'll click on one of them which is for 3 months. So let me show you what's the interface. As you can see, there are many options available to deposit amount into your account, right? You can choose any. I use usually the crypto, so I'll go with that. You have to type your email 2 times here, so you have to do that. Kindly be careful while typing your email here. You have to type same. As you can see, the process is very simple. They have given us a USDT account here on which we can deposit the amount, and it will automatically detect your payment, and here it will show you that your payment is successful and credited to your account, right? And your plan will be purchased. So thank you so much friends for watching this video, and if you are enjoying this, you can just go to my description and find the link for Alttunnel and purchase your plan. Thank you so much.